want to protect your profits, you've got to manage your costs. And for carriers, no cost is bigger than fuel. DAT One provides fuel price tools that can save you up to $1,000 per month. The app's Map tab provides a list of nearby fuel stations. You'll notice some of the fuel prices are highlighted in green, a quick way to show you the least expensive locations on the list. When you click on a fuel station from the list, detailed information will appear, including a map to get there. To save even more at the pump, you can see if the fuel station participates in our fuel card programs from Comdata and WEX. With the tools DAT One puts at your fingertips, you'll be able to save on fuel costs and improve your bottom line. To learn more about solutions that help you grow your business, visit DAT.com/carriers.